Hey, welcome to the Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the Tomahawks we cooked on our new Monument gas grill. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the camera, Jack. As you know, we get a new grill. We always break it in with some Tomahawks. So, got two beauties here. They're actually huge as far as this go, but we put together, seeing the video put together of the Monument grills, Monument 420MF. Want to make sure I got that right. Everything before was always been an even number because of stainless steel. This one's a black grill now, so that's where the 20 comes in there. So 420MF by MESA. It's a smaller, compacted grill, and a side shelf that folds down. It's a nice little grill. We usually like to do the first cook on that, but because of timing and everything Jack and I were working on, I did a couple little things on it in advance, but now we do the Tomahawk. So let's get them on the grill. All right, let's get the steaks on. I got the two outside burners on high, and I got nothing on in the middle. I'm not sure what's going to happen yet, because this one steak is big. So I'm trying to place it where I can get to it, and not try to do too much on here. But we're just going to let them warm up. The one is a little bit smaller, so there might be at one point where we're going to kind of take one off early until the other one gets temperature. But gonna let it ride out here and get this to about 80 degrees before we turn it over. All right, we're not at 80 yet, but I want to kind of just move them around just because this outside edge is getting further done. So I'm just gonna spin it around here and spin this one around here. I should have inverted these a little bit better, but that's all right. So still gonna let them roll out till we get to about 80 on this one, but I just, like I said, wanted to promote some even cooking here. All right, so now we just reached 80. So now we're going to give them the turn. I'm going to get them positioned a little bit better as well, so I can keep them more towards the inside. And away from the heat. I didn't tell you the first time I turned the grill on just a touch, so the stick has been, or the meat stick 5 has been reading right around 250, so that's perfect. You see we have some browning on the edges already here, which is nothing wrong with that. Centers, like I said, just 80 degrees. We're going to go about 115, and then we're going to get ready to sear these things. All right, so the bigger one just hit 110, and when I did a little pre-checking on the one in the back, and it was not quite that high. Yeah, that one's ready to come off. Like I said, normally I go to about 115 or so. That's at 119, so I'm going to yank that one off. And this one here, yeah, a little bit lower. I thought I found a lower one before in this one here. Can't get back there right. But yeah, 118. So that's a good number to pull that off on. So I'm going to grab that one off. We'll bring it back when we go to get the bigger one off at about 115. All right, so just do a quick check on this one, but pretty sure it's ready to come off. Yeah, 112 or 111, 5 there. Going to pull it off till it rests. It's going to get up there about 118, and then we're going to crank up the grill and get ready to sear this off. All right, let's get some searing going on these things. Got the grill cranking. We'll see how it takes it. Try a minute aside here. All right, about a minute. All right. All right, another minute. Boy, that's got a nice sear happening there. Should be the last side. All right, that should do it. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. they mentioned in the beginning, but as many of you know, when we do a tomahawk, and we always do a 120 when we do a new product like that. So got a 120 minute from Dogfish Head. Got 2 nice tomahawks from Costco. That Monument Grill's 420MF did a beautiful job searing. I was worried about because it only gives 900 BTUs, but the fact that it's a tighter footprint, I think that's no problem whatsoever because this seared these things off nice. And I didn't talk a whole lot about the meat stick 5 here that we use on this that can take up to 1200 degrees. With a Wi-Fi connection in the house, no issue getting that connection. But having the flames going over that stick, any other stick I've ever used is going to be barking at you immediately with flames going over it. So let's cut into these so Jack and I can get inside and start eating. Should hopefully have a nice medium rare here. Oh yeah, almost edge to edge. That looks perfect. I always like taking an edge too, and I got the cap here and a little bit of the fat part of it. My favorite part. Man, that's good. And I didn't mention in the beginning, but salt brine only, about 6 hours in advance. This is gonna be a good dinner. Hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.